Quadlander here at Rush Truck Center's Dallas Peterbilt, and today you're looking at a beautiful Viper Blue Peterbilt 579 with mid-roof sleeper. This truck is excellent for any tanker, flatbed hauler that is weight conscious but still wants a great spec truck. This truck is powered by a Cummins X15 Efficiency Series engine, 500 horsepower, 1850 pound-feet of torque, paired to an Eaton Fuller 18-speed, yes, 18-speed manual transmission with a 336 gear ratio. This truck has all aluminum wheels, all disc brakes, all Michelin X-Line Low Pro 22.5 tires up front, and take a look in the rear. You've got Michelin X-Line Super Singles. These Super Singles will save you about 400 or 500 pounds on the weight of the truck, so that means you got another 400 or 500 pounds of payload that you can haul. Although this truck is great for any working job, it still has some really nice owner-operator specs. Like I mentioned, all aluminum wheels, all disc brakes, full-size door on the sleeper, hazard triangles, toe pins, and a fire extinguisher right there. Inverter's already installed for you as well. 4 batteries in there. Take a look at the interior. You've got the LX Evolution seats with the smart dump, leather wrapped steering wheel, only 47 miles on the ticker, so you'll be the first person to sneeze on it. Navigation, you got suspension load dump, 5th wheel lock, inner axle lock, trailer suspension. There's a look at your 18-speed manual transmission. Take a look at the sleeper. Fridge is already mounted in there, nice and clean. Your storage tray slides out here. You can fit 12-ounce cans there perfectly. TV's already mount's already there, and then of course you've got your workstation tray right here. You can eat a meal, work on a laptop or tablet, slide it in there when you're done. Inverter controls right there, and then of course you've got the passenger side workstation that's not popping out because it still has the plastic protective cover on it. Got your Cobra 29 CB radio already mounted in there. This is in beautiful Viper Blue. Engine heater and shore power right there beneath the driver door. Take a look underneath the hood. Got the Cummins X15 Efficiency Series engine, 500 horsepower, 1850 pound-feet of torque. Again, all aluminum wheels, all disc brakes all the way around with the Super Singles in the rear. Removable bug screen. Fog lights up front. Beautiful truck. Give me a call. I'm Travis Quadlander here at Rush Truck Center's Dallas Peterbilt. My cell is 817-504-7220. Hablo Español. Puede llamarme al 817-504-7220 or come see us at Rush Truck Center's Dallas Peterbilt here in Irving, Texas, off of Loop 12 and Union Bower. Keep on trucking.